Hello, fellow artists, and welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy, where we aim to guide you in mastering the art of painting. Are you having trouble with your acrylic paint drying too quickly, making it difficult to blend your colors? If so, you're in the right place. This issue is very common, especially among beginners and hobbyists. But don't worry, we have a solution for you. Stick around as we delve into this transformative solution and bring your painting skills to the next level. Acrylic paints are known to dry within 15 minutes, a factor that can be frustrating for many artists, especially those transitioning from oil painting. The quick drying nature of acrylics can make it challenging to blend colors effectively. This is where a slow dry medium comes into play, as it extends the drying time of your paint. Introducing the slow dry medium. First, let's clear up a common confusion. Slow dry medium and retarder are one and the same. This clear drying medium does not alter the color of your paint and should blend seamlessly into your work. Choosing a medium with a finish that matches your artistic style and the project you're working on is essential. How to use a slow dry medium. Using a slow dry medium is relatively straightforward. Add a small amount of the medium to each color you use. Mix them well to ensure the medium is fully integrated into the paint. The slow dry medium extends the drying time and slows down the curing process of the acrylic paint, offering you more time to perfect your artwork. Our favorite slow dry medium. We highly recommend and have had good luck with Liquitex Professional Fluid Slow Dry Medium. This highly rated edition can extend drying time up to 40% for blending with acrylics. It's safe for educational use and is non-toxic. We'll put a link in the description below so you can explore if this style of slow dry medium will work for you. We hope you found this information helpful and encourage you to try out the recommended medium. Remember, with painting, it's all about practice, patience, and finding the right tools. So, give this medium a try, and we're confident you'll notice a significant improvement in your blending skills. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more painting guides and tutorials. Stay creative and keep painting. Expand your acrylic painting skills by taking one of our free guided courses. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses to get started.